How to talk to girls. Talking to girls can be nerve-wracking, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few tips to help you feel more confident and comfortable when approaching and speaking with girls. 1. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress a girl. Girls can usually tell when someone is being fake, and it's not an attractive quality. 2. Be confident. Speak clearly, make eye contact, and stand up straight. This will show that you're comfortable and confident in yourself, which can be very attractive to girls. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 3. Be respectful. Treat girls with the same respect that you would want to be treated with. Don't make inappropriate comments or gestures, and don't try to pressure them into doing anything they're not comfortable with. 4. Start with small talk. When you first approach a girl, it's a good idea to start with small talk. Ask her how her day is going, or comment on something you have in common. This will help to break the ice and make the conversation feel more natural. 5. Show interest. When you're talking to a girl, be sure to show that you're interested in what she has to say. Ask her questions and actively listen to her answers. This will make her feel like you're genuinely interested in getting to know her. 6. Be funny. A good sense of humor can be very attractive to girls. If you can make her laugh, she'll be more likely to enjoy talking to you. 7. Be yourself. This can't be stressed enough. Be yourself, and let her get to know you for who you are. 8. Understand boundaries. It's important to know and respect a girl's boundaries. If she's not interested in talking to you, don't take it personally and move on. 9. Be kind and respectful. Always be kind and respectful, even if the girl is not interested in you. Treat her with dignity and respect, and don't try to pressure her into anything. 10. Remember the 3-second rule. The 3-second rule states that you should approach a girl within 3 seconds of seeing her. This helps to overcome the fear of rejection and build confidence. Remember, talking to girls is not a one-time event. It takes practice and patience. Be yourself, be confident, and be respectful, and you'll be on your way to having great conversations with girls. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.